Hey y'all, welcome back.
Yo.
Okay, welcome back to another video. This video, as you can by the title, is, you know, we've been married for what, almost 4 years. So this video is kind of just seeing how well does he pay attention to his wife, okay?
Oh God.
How some of this stuff is like from, never mind, we're just gonna ask the question. So I'm be asking him the questions, and if you guys like this video, comment or like it, and we will do a part 2 where Chris asks me questions and see how well do I know him.
Lit.
What is one of my biggest pet peeves? I have a lot, but what is the one that really like irks me? And you have to get the one that I'm thinking of.
Oh shoot, that's your biggest pet peeve.
My biggest pet peeve. I have a dry erase board, so you don't think I'm cheating. I'm gonna ask him the question, but I'm gonna write the answer that I'm thinking of to see if he'll match what I put. Taking too long. I don't ain't got a board and all.
You said what? You don't.
What's one of my biggest pet peeves? Straightforward question.
I want to say being irritated. Or
Being irritated? I'm being irritated right now because you are taking too long. And that is not what I wrote on this board.
Oh my God. People talking while you're talking is one.
Did you just look at my board?
No. I'm dead serious.
Talking. Yeah, my handwriting's ugly. Talking and being interrupted. That's my biggest pet peeve. Like, if I'm talking to you or whatever, and you just like stop talking to me, or you talk to somebody else, and you call me, and you on the phone talking to somebody else while talking to me, I'm hanging up. I don't like that. I feel like you peeked at my board though, but it's okay. What's the strangest thing I do when I get out of the shower? You mentioned it one time, like a while ago. You was like, really? I was like, what?
Dang, I'm clueless.
Okay, so you don't know?
Pass.
You really don't know me. Who are you?
Oh my God.
You want me to tell the answer? Or you want to guess one more time?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
You gonna tell the answer because
I get out the shower, I put my little face stuff on, I wipe it off, and then I take me some Vaseline.
Oh my God.
What do I do with
the Vaseline, she puts the Vaseline, of course, on her lips, but she like does her eyebrows. I don't understand that for the world of me. It's strange.
Yes, I put Vaseline on my eyebrows. I just take the Vaseline, I go like this, I go like that,
I'm still
and I walk out the bathroom. It just, I don't know, it's
just... your eyebrows? You gotta have your eyebrows lubricated huh? That's it?
I don't know, that's just...
Now that you say that, I know you do that every night. You do that every night.
You didn't get it right.
Like a boxer, like she just got cut.
I be like...
I
was like, really? When you first noticed, he was like, really? I'm like, what? I was so irritated because I'm like, this is what I do.
You do every night. She do that every single night. Yeah. Wow.
Where was our first date when we got back together in 2011?
Our first.
And what shirt? What did I have on? Just my shirt.
Oh my God.
That's
really?
2 questions, ain't it?
Yes. I don't remember what you had on per se, but I remember what I had on.
This ain't about you. This is about me.
I don't know what you. Oh my God! It was at Loco's.
Yes. You didn't give me time to write it down.
The funny thing, because I had my mom's car. I have a car at the time. So we drove my mom's car.
All right, what color do I have on? And don't look at my board.
I tried.
Come on now, have all day.
No, you didn't. You had on a blue shirt.
What? Did you see my board? Who are you talking about?
I kind of sneak did, but
you know what? I'm about to just start writing.
You had on a blue shirt.
No, I did not. I had on a yellow shirt. It had pink letters on it. I don't know what the letters said. That was back when I was wearing, you know, shirts with numbers on it. Letters. I had on a yellow shirt. We took a picture and I was like...
Yeah, you should, yeah. I'm thinking of you had on a blue shirt with jeans because you took a picture in your mom's front room.
No, that was not our first date back together. That was just a damn date that you picked me up. And I took a picture, yes. I took a picture in the living room. And yes, we did go to Loco's again, right?
Yep.
But that was not the first time.
Oh my God, it was so amazing.
You're pathetic.
I'm so You asking me stuff from 2011.
If I find that picture with a shirt on, and I was like,
I know exactly what picture you're talking about. I can go right to it right now.
I might put it right here if I remember.
Right now.
I bet you could, but you didn't remember it, so it doesn't matter.
Fellas, if you're watching this, remember every single thing. Everything.
What is my hidden talent? I mean, I don't feel like I don't have much talent. I feel like, you know, I don't know my purpose yet. God's working on me, and He's going to let me know soon. But I feel like it's kind of cool.
I say one of your hidden talents is your ability to handle money. You can count so fast. I'm like a granddaddy. 1, 2. I can't thumb through it like you. Hidden talent. No, that's one.
And don't be peeking over here.
I'm trying not to, man. Come on, man. Wouldn't know it's hidden.
7. But you should know. Nobody else would know.
Give me this, man. Because I'm finna flip.
Move. I'm not going to show you my handwriting. I'm just embarrassed. Okay. I feel like my hidden talent is... You ready? I can move my ear.
Nigga, we all can do that.
No, you cannot. What? Let me see.
Boy, if you don't...
You can do that. Was that a dumb question? Like, can y'all move y'all ear? Because I thought I was only...
My hidden talent, I can move my ear. Everybody like, yeah, you can.
Everybody can do that.
I just did it.
Let me see. So it's not hidden?
Nope, it's exposed. Everybody knows.
I might cut that out.
Nope, nah, bro.
I'm going to Chick-fil-A. What is my specific order?
Can I have a number 1? Large
You
fry.
ain't gotta say large. You ain't gotta know all that.
Large fry with a large sweet tea. And can I have 4 ketchups and 2 mayos?
Yeah, that's correct.
Not only does she like that, she doesn't eat Chick-fil-A at night. She prefers it during the day. And she prefers to eat it in her car.
Yes. I go on my lunch break. I normally like to eat Chick-fil-A like I'm at work and I'm going on lunch. And if Chris is home, I would still park at Chick-fil-A or Home Depot over there in the area.
Or you'll park at the house in the driveway.
Yeah, he's gonna come out. It's just, I don't know.
The weirdest thing I've ever heard. She prefers to eat Chick-fil-A in the car. Not everything. Yeah. Chick-fil-A is one of the ones she prefers to eat in the car. That's a hidden talent. Or something I don't know about you. But I do.
What was my first nickname for Taylor? Not Bean. Everybody knows that. But I used to say it. I don't say it as much now.
Ooh. Your first nickname?
You're like,
first one you gave her?
I won't say it. The first one I gave her was
Taylor.
Bean.
It was Bean.
I know, but it was another one I would call her. But I don't really say it much now. I just say Bean or Beanster or Beanie Weenie or something like that.
It wasn't Bean Bug.
It has nothing with being in it. I just said that. Listen. There's another nickname.
Oh, Mama Sweet Girl.
No.
Oh,
You got it.
I got excited like I knew what it was. I don't know. We called her Bean and we stuck.
I'd be like, hey.
Sweet Pop.
Yeah. How do you? I'd be like, hey, Sweet Pop. Yeah, Sweet Pop.
Bean is all I ever called her. I
had to say, hey, for you to get it. Hell, I ain't even counting no score or nothing. But you ain't do nothing. You ain't done that good.
At all.
Okay. Besides Usher's song, My Boo, what is our other song we have? It's not your average love song. We all waiting for something drastic, but I don't know why this was one of our songs, but I think it was going through something.
On the right?
No, not Beyonce. That is one of them, but that's not the one I'm talking about. It's older.
It's an old song?
No, it's older than On the Run.
It's a song that we got there. We sing this to each other all the time. It ain't Don't
don't
Change
sing it
that
to
which was played at the wedding.
No. It's not a song you'll play at a wedding. It's just one of our songs. Besides My Boo. This is not husband and wife song. This is boyfriend and girlfriend Tia. 2007, 2011, in between niggas and whoever.
Complicated.
Yes.
My Nivea.
My Nivea.
When you said 2007,
I gave you way too many hints.
When you said 2007, I knew what it was.
I am talking way too much. I gave you way too many hints because you really ain't get that one.
Dream about you. Oh, when love ain't always come.
Blood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I might have 2 more questions and we'll end it. Where was our first kiss?
The very, very first
No,
one?
not the very first one. Okay, what was the very first one?
Brunswick High School, Tech Hallway. I was going to what shop?
Cool. That's it. That's right. You already know. Like, but where was our first kiss when we got back together? Not in high school. After high school.
It's finna be slick funny though. But it wasn't in the van, was it?
No.
I used to drive my grandma's van. That's how long Tia been around.
I was with this nigga when he was driving his grandmother's van. He didn't have a car.
I was whipping that son.
So that's how you know I'm that real one.
I was driving green.
I was riding around with you in a green van.
A green machine, boy. Ooh, that's a tough one.
Now I don't think in this day and age I wouldn't be around with you in no van.
I still got wheels, and I can pack multiple people in it. How efficient?
What people?
If we wanted people.
What's the question again? Oh, where's our first kiss? When you got back. Sure, looking on you.
Oh my god. I honestly don't know. I don't know.
That's like one of the pivotal. That's a word.
Pivotal.
Pivotal.
Pivotal. Yeah, I thought it was pivotal.
Question. Whatever.
Give me the answer, cause I'm finna be blowed.
Outside your cousin's house.
Talking in the burgundy Honda on Haversham. Yeah. As soon as you
because you should know that.
As soon as you said,
and I said, where's our first kiss when you got back? When you got back in town from job.
Oh yeah, it was in the burgundy Honda. You know what year that was? 96. Seatbelt.
First date. Since you can't remember first kiss, what about first date?
Their first date was not really a date.
No, well,
it wasn't a date because you had somebody there with you.
Well, you know, back in the day when you when you go on your first date, you kind of go in a public setting about your girlfriend and her friend, you know.
And I was by myself.
Where was it, Chris?
It was at the movies.
What did we see? Really? What did we go see?
Well, I got a bad brain.
Christopher Emmanuel. Wow. The question was, I mean, where's the first one? Where did we go see?
We went. I can't think of the name of the title, but it's Freedom Riders.
Okay.
Freedom
I was
Riders.
gonna smack you.
I was trying to think of the name of it.
Last one. Dream Vacation.
Maldives.
Yes, Maldives. God. I don't know how many you got right out of what.
I got a good 7-8, right?
When I edit this video, I'm gonna have to go back and see how many questions I asked and how many you got right. This video is far too long right now. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.
Peace.
Peace and love.
Gang.